Hi traders, let's have a look here at the altcoin space because we have some developments here recently that are changing the structures from those corrective movements that we have seen into something more constructive, starting here with SNX, Network token. This is an Ethereum token that powers the synthetics, decentralized synthetic asset issuance protocol, and we see that it pretty much bottom here on the ascending support that we could draw here from the November 2020 lows here. We had also this horizontal support that we can now change into black. It's already consumed, but all this area was interesting. And also the fact that it could overcome this descending line here of that initially was support on several occasions, very heavily bought here on several occasions. Then this line was finally lost, and now it's reconquered that space here. So the next potential positive breakout will be given here by the hurdling of this line, and it will be close to the all-time highs here. Then let's look at Sandbox. This is a utility token used throughout the Sandbox ecosystem. Here we have also a nice breakout to the upside. We see where it reacted to. We had a first reaction here in May to that ascendant support, and we had that support lost here. But we have now that clear and visible break up to new levels, and this new low here from June allows us to establish another ascending support that we hadn't from past price action, just in case we need it in the future. But we are now in positive territory as well. Looking at Yearn Finance, the governance token for the Yearn Finance protocol. This one also, we had to establish here new levels of support that we hadn't from past price action, but we are seeing some positive breakout, especially if this descending line here is broken and the price is able to consolidate here, a close above daily close, at least above this descending line. The next level it will try to recapture will be this one here. It did in the past. The pullback almost got to that level, so it's secondary importance and very close to the all-time highs. But in general, this area here can be traveled up quite fast. Then we have the curve, the Dow token. This one also is showing positive developments here with two second higher low here post the first 24 May collapse here. But all in all, you can see that this project also respected that ascending support line, which is, in fact, is very positive. We see the large lower wicks here showing strong buying activity on that support line. We have now hurdled this little area here, the start of this bearish candle, and that is another positive development here. And we have now inside this intermediate resistance here, descending from this June 5 top, and then the descending line from the all-time highs here that will ultimately be the last destination before re-entering above this ascending line into new highs. Then let's have a look at Maker also. Maker is the governance token for the Maker DAO and Maker protocol, respectively. One is a decentralized organization, and the other is a software platform, both based on the Ethereum blockchain. This can give us some hints also to our stance on Ethereum, already manifested through a long trade, long-term trade. And here we see also those supports being respected here, and also another positive indication here is that we had a very attractive buy level here horizontally on the 1626 more or less, and that wasn't touched, so we didn't lost that support. that is a positive development as well. We have this descending line and this intermediate resistance and this horizontal resistance now as the next target, and that we are on the 50% of that correction, heading to the upper segments of the ascending channel that has been enveloping the price action for a long time now. So a positive development here as well. Looking at AAVE, a decentralized finance protocol that allows people to lend and borrow crypto. Also here, we respected this layer of support. We could have gone a little bit deeper into older support lines. We didn't. In itself, this is a positive development. We are now a good chunk here of recovered a good chunk of that lost trail here from the all-time highs, not far from going into that positive territory once hurdling this descending line that probably new all-time highs will be possible. Let's look at another one that could be of interest. Let's look here at Cell. This is a all-in-one banking and financial services platform for cryptocurrency users, and this one stands out because we didn't see any serious correction. In fact, only this first layer of support has been retouched here, but we have other levels below that are intact. So this one is worth taking into account in the future for future corrections, and also for the value of this project, since it barely changed its structure during all this correction that we have seen across the crypto market. And lastly, let's look at Compound here, a cryptocurrency lending and borrowing platform. This one also is outperformer here recently with this huge movement up. We have as a horizontal target this range here. It is could be more or less coincident with this ascending line from here. So this could be the next destination before reaching the all-time high. It's just a short distance from it. So we recovered more than the half of the path lost during the correction. So all in all, this altcoin structures are giving a positive picture and can be taken as a positive omen for the rest of the cryptosphere in the coming weeks and months. We may probably have seen the bottom. There are still possibilities to see. Obviously, nothing goes in a straight line, and probably this recovery will not be made of a one-side road, but at least we have seen the whole process of corrective structures being very intensely bought at key levels, something that is hinting at a correction in the bull market and not the start of a new bear market. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.